In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Webflow. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Connecting these two powerful platforms can significantly streamline your email marketing efforts and enhance user engagement on your website. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to create and publish your form in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Sign Up Forms section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the option to create a new form. You'll have plenty of customization options here, so take your time to design a form that resonates with your website's aesthetic. This is really important because the form acts as the first point of contact for your visitors. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click on the Publish button. This step makes your form available for use, and you'll see a prompt that follows. Next, after you hit Publish, Klaviyo will prompt you to install the code snippet necessary for your form. This is key because it's what you will be embedding into your Webflow project. So make sure to select that option and copy the code snippet that appears on your screen. Having this code handy will be essential for the next steps. Now it's time to shift gears and switch over to Webflow. Make sure you're logged in and open the project where you want your Klaviyo form to appear. Once you are in your project dashboard, locate the page layout where you want to embed the sign-up form. To do this, simply drag a Webflow embed element onto that chosen page layout. This element acts like a container for your Klaviyo form, so find the best spot where it seamlessly fits in. Once you have your embed element in place, it's time to paste the code you copied from Klaviyo. Click into the embed block and paste that code directly in there. Afterward, click Save and Close to ensure that your changes are saved properly. And we're almost there. The last step in this process is to publish your site. Look for the Publish button inside Webflow and click it. This action makes your changes live, which means your visitors can now start interacting with your new sign-up form. It's that simple. So, to recap, you began by logging into Klaviyo, where you designed and published your sign-up form. Then, you copied the embed code and headed over to Webflow, where you dragged an embed element onto your layout and pasted in the code. Finally, with just one last click to publish your site, your form is live and ready to capture leads. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video so you can keep up with more tips like this. Happy marketing